In this video, we are going to see how we can install and use ChatGPT on an iPhone. So if you want to get the ChatGPT application on an iPhone so that you can use the AI functionality, here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to make sure that you have an Apple ID. If you got a new phone, you just create a new Apple ID. I have that specific video on my channel. I'll link it down in the description so you can check that out. So anyways, you click on the App Store, and from here we click on the bottom. Now on the regular Android phone, the search is on the top, while on iPhone it's on the bottom. So we will write here ChatGPT, click on that, and we click on the Get button next to it. Click on Get, we click on Install. And once the installation is complete, you will get this open button next to this sign. Also, you will get the icon on your desktop screen. So you click on it to open up. And from here, we click continue and you will start using it right away. Or if you already have an account, you click on login and sign in with your credentials. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.